So the second offering at QC Finance is your interview skills. So we do understand that at the end of the internship at QC Finance, you are looking for a full-time position and you are targeting some very good place for that. So in that terms, we are going to help you crack those finance interview. We would start with the purpose of holding interview, the meaning of interview, the types of questions that are asked by interviewers, like open-ended, close-ended, neutral and landing question, loaded question, mirror question, probing question, and pauses. So each of these 7 things that I just talked about have their importance. For example, pausing at the right time is important rather than answering that question. That's an interesting thing. We'll have some examples of that. Then what to do with the loaded and the probing questions is again an interesting thing. These are the type of questions, features of an interview, the structure and the chronology in finance interview, and what's going around in the industry is again something we'll look at. So the purpose of holding these interviews for a company is like selection, promotion, performance appraisal, exit, opinion and counseling. The structure of interview becomes important because you have a starting, you have a middle part, you have a closing part, you have a chronology which should be impressive. We'll talk about how chronologies could go bad, and also how to handle the stress, and how to work on different types of interview, whether it's a mock interview, a telephonic or a walk-in or a group interview or a screening interview. So preparing for the interview is a critical part for our interns, and we do understand that, and we'll work to help that thing done for the people who are there. So that's what we have. Some of the things here that again becomes important is that when you have an interview, your body language should be important. So that's something related to the international conference presentation that we aim for our interns, but overall the body language, the facial expression, the posture, the gesture and the space becomes important. So that's again that I would train you on. So that was about the interview prep and the type of questions. So there's a list of questions that we have gathered based on a survey that would be helpful for you.